this video, let's talk about are wheel spacers safe for your Mercedes CLS. Let's go. Using Mercedes wheel spacers is safe and good. Just make sure to buy quality spacers that are half-century and have them installed correctly. As long as each lug bolt is tightened to the correct torque specification, there won't be any potential failure point. Wheel spacers contribute to an incremental improvement in handling and stability. Because of the increased track width from the wheels being pushed further out, they are no different from a set of offset rims. You can run Mercedes wheel spacers on a racing or street car with zero issues. In addition, spacers enlarge the inner wheel clearance so that wider tires can be safely mounted. This makes your Mercedes look really nice. Correct fitment of the Mercedes wheel spacers is the highest priority to ensure driving safety. When it comes to safe spacers, precision can be interpreted as quality. It is one of the keys to success in producing Mercedes wheel spacers. In short, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the spacers can fit on the vehicle hull. Hence, there is less chance of vibration or rubbing. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. The machining accuracy of bonus spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and you will be very smooth when you install it. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.